Rub soap on the front door. Yes, regular soap. It may sound unimpressive, but its properties might surprise you. Rub it thoroughly into the bottom edge of the door. Don't be stingy. It's especially worth doing this on balcony doors, where dust and small particles often collect. You can also gently spread soap on the bottom window frames. A thin, well-distributed layer is enough, especially on the sides and in the corners. It works quickly, leaves no traces, and ants start avoiding these areas entirely. There's one more simple method. Grate a bit of soap, preferably using the coarse side of a grater. Pour it into a small bowl and add a tablespoon of instant coffee. Mix it. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil, cover the bowl with it, and poke a few holes using a toothpick. Set it near the door, including balcony doors, somewhere it won't get stepped on. 2 simple steps. Neither of them seems like much, but give them a few days, and ants will never visit your home again. Draw a chalk line in front of your doors, and you'll get rid of them from your home once and for all. Everyone should do this. The reason is surprising. Once you learn it, you'll do it too, and quickly. Chalk has many uses that can make life easier, which is why you should draw a line with it in front of your home's entrance. To effectively protect your home from ants, simply draw a thick, continuous line of chalk around all entrances: doors, windows, patio doors, and balcony doors. It's important that the line is thick enough and unbroken, covering the entire perimeter of the door or window frame. Since chalk can wear off over time, it's a good idea to refresh the line regularly, especially around frequently used doors or windows. With this method, you won't see ants in your home anymore. These insects can't cross a chalk line, so you'll get rid of ants once and for all. Ants won't be back for several years, and you'll get rid of both ants and aphids with 100% effectiveness. This is my favorite natural ant spray, made from a green cucumber. It works wonders, and surprisingly, few people know how effective green cucumber can be. The bitter compound in it acts like poison for ants. Simply slice the cucumber and put it in a blender. Add a cup of vodka, then blend everything until smooth. After that, strain it through a sieve to remove the cucumber pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of shampoo or liquid soap and mix well. Now, just pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Your natural ant spray is ready. Just spray it on areas where you spot insects. This spray not only keeps ants away, but is also safe for people and pets. It's a natural repellent ants try to avoid. Plus, the vodka and shampoo help improve the application by making the mixture more effective and giving it a stronger scent. I hope this method proves as helpful for you as it has for me. 1 tablespoon, and the ants will disappear instantly. They often appear near food or in damp places. Take a smaller glass jar and pour about 300 milliliters of vinegar into it. Vinegar for ants works effectively on ants due to its repellent properties. Next, prepare pepper for ants, which also has properties that repel these insects. Add 1 solid teaspoon. The next ingredient is hot pepper for ants, which has irritating properties, effectively repelling ants. Add 1 full tablespoon. The last ingredient is garlic for ants, which has strong repellent action due to its intense smell. Mix everything thoroughly and leave it to blend well. Then, take a strainer and gauze to strain the mixture, obtaining a clean, clear liquid. Prepare a spray bottle, pour the contents into it, screw it on, and you have your ready-made ant repellent liquid. Just spray the sink area, and the ants won't show up there anymore. This is really an effective way to deal with ants in the kitchen, helping you get rid of them once and for all. Spray it outside the house to prevent them from coming inside, and also in the garden near the ant hills. If you're looking for a natural way to get rid of ants, this method is perfect. It will help you get rid of them for good. 3 ways to eliminate an anthill in just 1 hour, without chemicals or stress. These quick and cheap methods use things you already have at home. First, take an empty 1-gallon water jug and carefully cut off the top. The plastic works like a magnifying glass, heating up fast and creating a greenhouse effect. This heat destroys the entire ant colony. Just place the jug over the anthill on a sunny day for at least 1 hour. The second method uses a regular aluminum grill tray. Choose the size based on the mound, place it directly over the anthill, and let the sun do the rest. The tray heats up quickly to a temperature ants can't survive. For the third method, use a black trash bag. Black absorbs sunlight the most. Cover the mound completely and press down the edges with stones. The heat trapped underneath creates a hot, suffocating space that wipes out the colony. All three tricks work best in full sun, and the results are nearly instant. No expensive chemicals needed. Do it once and the ants are gone. Place this in your home, and ants will quickly disappear. Take a small lid and add a little honey, whose sweet scent strongly attracts ants. Then add some baking soda and mix everything thoroughly. Place the finished mixture where ants appear most often. After a short time, you'll notice there are fewer and fewer of them. I've never gotten rid of ants so quickly. I scared them away simply, and they haven't returned. When ants get too close to your home, garden, or your child's sandbox, you just need to spray a homemade solution. It's 100% effective. If you have ants in the sandbox, this will also deter cats that often use the sandbox as a litter box. Start by preparing a bowl of water. Add a few teaspoons of cinnamon to it. Ants hate the smell of this spice. Then squeeze the juice of a lemon and add it to the cinnamon water. This is another scent ants dislike. The next ingredient is coffee grounds. Add a few teaspoons of them. Coffee grounds are one of the best products for repelling ants. Finally, add a few drops of mild soap or dishwashing liquid. Mix everything and let it sit for a few hours. Then strain the mixture. Pour it into a spray bottle. Now, you just need to spray the areas where you see ants. You can spray the soil around plants, benches, or the sandbox. Also, secure the entrance to the terrace. This method isn't harmful to ants or other insects, but it is effective. The ants will simply relocate to another place. In just 1 hour, you can completely get rid of ants. You'll eliminate the entire ant nest without using any harmful chemicals. All you need are 2 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a lemon. It's the main ingredient in this trick. Then prepare some matches. They're the second key component. The lemon plays a crucial role here. Its juice and peel contain natural essential oils that are toxic to ants and disrupt their communication. Take the matches out of the box and stick them into the lemon, with the wooden ends going in and the sulfur tips pointing outward. Use at least a dozen. The more, the better. Let me explain how it works. Place the prepared lemon directly on the ant nest or wherever you often see ants. You'll notice the first results within minutes, and the problem will be gone after about an hour. The matches absorb the lemon juice, which triggers the sulfur to dissolve. This natural combination drives ants away effectively and keeps them from coming back. There's no need to spend money on expensive products. What you already have at home is enough. It's a cheap, safe, and effective way to deal with ants in your garden, on your patio, or inside your home.